Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the redesigned Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum at the Susotham Auditorium premises in Shillong. Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lingdor and Power Minister Abu Taher Mandal were also present at the event. The museum has been modernized with QR-enabled exhibits and interactive digital features aiming to offer an immersive cultural experience. The Chief Minister stated that the initiative is part of a broader vision to preserve and promote the state's heritage while building a creative and sustainable economy. He announced that student visits to the museum would be made mandatory by the Education Department to foster cultural awareness among the youth. Plans are underway to establish similar museums in other districts, starting with Tura. Conrad K. Sangma highlighted research efforts under the Chief Minister's research grant, including the development of AI-based tools for local languages, documentation of 71 Garo traditional games, and the exploration of ancient monoliths in the Garo Hills, potentially dating back to 1200 BC. These findings will be compiled into accessible educational materials. Conrad Sangma also emphasized the promotion of cultural entrepreneurship through the Prime program, supporting the production of local handicrafts and souvenirs. He noted Meghalaya's potential to build bamboo-based industries like those in Vietnam. He further credited the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform as a successful medium for showcasing the state's culture, music and history through films and digital content. He also announced plans to promote a rare relic of Saint Don Bosco located in Sora as a heritage site. Reflecting on his first visit to the museum in 2018, the Chief Minister expressed pride in its transformation, calling it a symbol of identity and creative potential. Earlier in the day, the Chief Minister and dignitaries observed the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, marking 50 years since the imposition of the emergency in India. He stressed the importance of safeguarding constitutional rights and democratic values.
It has been the endeavor of our government to really focus on our identity. We've always felt that as a government and as people of the state, what makes us different from the rest of the world is our identity. And that identity is defined by our culture, by our language, by the different clothes we wear, the ornaments we wear, the food that we eat, the different music aspects, so on and so forth. And therefore, there has been a concerted effort from our government to be able to really nurture this in the best manner. Number one, to reinforce our identity and to make sure that we are able to really distinguish and distinctly give a proper shape, I guess, and proper identity to who we are. But apart from that, we've also realized that it is crucial for us to be able to document and preserve these aspects. And thirdly, apart from maintaining that identity, documenting it and preserving it, how do we make it more creative? How do we create an economy out of the creative aspect of our society? How do we incorporate culture? How do we incorporate our history, our identity through this creative process into an economy in itself? And therefore, we've been working from all fronts to be able to bring all of this larger picture together. Our government is focusing on multiple fronts. It's not just about putting up a museum and saying that's it. We have research happening. We are funding researchers, and I encourage, if some of you are willing to, because I'm really impressed with this research that's happening. All of this research will be converted into booklets. They will be available for people to buy. I'm sorry, you cannot get it for free. You'll have to buy because we want to support these researchers. So I'm very happy that this entire aspect of tourism and having this creative economy, linking this creative economy to our culture, to our music, to our history, is happening as we speak. So my whole idea of speaking to you is to really give you the larger picture of what it is that we are trying to achieve as a government by bringing all of this together. In fact, just to share with you the way we are working in this whole, in fact, coordinated way, is that our Honorable Minister for Art and Culture is also the Minister for Tourism, and he is also the Minister for Textile. And there's a reason why he's holding all these three portfolios together, because all of them are connected. Where is art and culture without, where is tourism without art and culture?
A commemorative stamp in honor of Captain Williamson Sangma was also released during the event and handed over to his youngest daughter, Rebecca William C.H. Momin.
Historic exercise.
Today.
Actually, I was very young when my father passed away. I was just 9 years old. I don't remember much. But he has done a lot for the state, and without shedding of bloodshed, the state has been founded. And we are very privileged and honored that this institute of showcasing our rich cultural and historical heritage has been named after our late father. I would take this opportunity to personally thank, congratulate and commend the Arts and Culture Department for carefully and meticulously, curating that went into the exhibits, showcasing our rich and cultural heritage. And I would also like to thank the government of Meghalaya for their initiative and support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the people of Meghalaya for the love and support they have given my father. Thank you. Like our Honorable Chief Minister has already said, Shri Conrad Sangma has already said that he will be, he has taken the initiative to, the museum in the district of Tura also, they are taking the initiative to upgrade it, So I think that's enough.